Baki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Admission open for playgroup, pre-nursery and nursery. Angels Play School, Upper Lachimia, Shillong. Contact 98635-67162 or 600-9322457. Bull, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
MLA ka UDP na amla rem constituency ba Lahkmen rumbui. Ulayang haying dorbar lingba ka point of order. Ban pensngau sya ulampang haying dorbar Thomas Sangma. Hakapur baula ai Syaki MLA banekaran haying dorbar kapatang new minute ka Khyndiat Palat bat ukarpat ban penjalan ya kapur namar baki MLA ki kwa ban pensngau ki babun kimat ha ka jingkaran jongki halor kamang tengka ka bahado laipo hajar kelur tam. Henreu lampang ula pensyai baki don hado laipo ngut ki MLA ki bakwa ban shimenta kumta umla ban ai portam. Palat ya kata namar baka por kamsya. Nong ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul sangmau la yang ban Kren dah boong. Baki MLA ki ladep ban ajingmut syaka advisory committee ba lada don kam ban penjalan ni ka dorbar ru hab ban penjalan kenang ba barok ki MLA kin yok ban sim talang bat kin yok ban pensngau ki mat jongki ha ka bau lampang ula ong ba unpek kumno ban penya ya kapor.
May I now call upon Charles Mangner, please? Sorry?
A point of order on the Rule 302, sir. So this is a budget discussion, general discussion of budget. So I request you, sir, 7-8 minutes is too less a time for an honorable member to express the desire of their constituent. If you kindly keep at least 15 minutes to all, at least it will be do justice to their constituents, sir. Because this is a budget. It's a question of 30,000 crore to be passed. So 7-8 minutes. So kindly, sir, consider. Because that is the request of other members.
I have 30 members, all members of the House. Almost all the members in both the Treasury and the opposition best have requested time for to speak. Last Friday, we had given enough time. I had given even 30 minutes. But most of the House were empty. This is not, I mean, I cannot consider like that. Today is the last day for discussion. I still am giving almost 2.5 hours today for discussion.
So kindly extend more time, sir.
150 minutes I've given.
So kindly extend more time because
I still have 25 members to speak. Now, if I divide by 150 minutes, I get only 6 minutes, but still I'm giving you more time.
So this is a request, sir, because it's a budget discussion, sir.
But
aspiration of a thing. So I don't think the leader of the House also will mind extend the time beyond one.
You are wasting the time. Please, I will regulate accordingly. Charles Mangner, please.
To the discussion in the Business Advisory Committee itself, because we made it abundantly clear that the House must be able to really scrutinize the budget. Now, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, honorable members, and we have quite a substantial number of newly elected members.
I'm giving
Mr.
5
Speaker,
hours,
sir,
please, member.
Our submission in the Business Advisory Committee was that we will extend the time. We will extend the time. That was the agreed principle.
Yes, that's why I'm
saying
let us
honor that agreed principle. I'm sure other honorable members are not aware of that. What was the internal discussion? No, it is not a wastage. It is a appeal based on what we discussed in the Business Advisory Committee.
I will regulate the time accordingly.
Yeah. So kindly extend the time. Otherwise, 10 minutes, 10 people, 100 minutes, 15, 30 people, 60-member House, Mr. Speaker, sir, other than the ministers. Everybody might be willing to speak. It helps us. It helps the state. It helps the government. Right. It is a budget session, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Point noted. I am already given 5 hours of discussion for this budget meeting. Last week, most of the members were not had not given the time. Who was given the time? I had given them opportunate time to speak also. I had given particularly to one member from the opposition bench to speak even 30 minutes. But most of the seats were empty. This is very unfortunate. But still, I will regulate the time. I will consider it.